of Allah, Assalamu alaikum. It's Tahmina Buruman, and I'm a accounting student in Ulearna. My journey with Ulearna started 5 months ago. First, we passed an entry test in order to get into the training, and then we have studied accounting for almost 5 months. During this training, we learned too many things about accounting, the fundamentals knowledge which is necessary for an accountant. We learned almost anything that an accountant needs to be aware of or to learn, and it can be used during his daily life or a daily work day. Moreover, now after this training, I can say that I can work as an accountant. We can record the transaction, we can maintain the records, and also we can make these statements. We can use the online platforms which are used for accountants, and they can use it. I highly suggest it for other girls in my country, or basically the students who study business or any other finance-related field. They can get the training and they will make the most of it, and they will know that it was worth it all the time.